Iwo di weke na kwa mo no basan keta ta bi na na no no de mo ke de lo wan na asino nwe kepu na akado ime na Ngor-Okpala ebe Zion ministry hold their 100 days end of the 100 days program fasting and prayer. That no nwe room na no that some people are recruiting themselves in order to come there and cause confusion. What is the problem? Anasiro egbuo mmadụ egburo mmadụ. They are recruiting themselves to come and create chaos. When I just say, what is the problem? The boy kedi ni ihe owudi keni ho. So this development na bata no obodo no natural ya. Una choria no just una like ikunu create ye imoguku na makwa na unu no. What then shall it profit you people? Get back and all those who are now that place. What have you people generated from it? What are the governments done for you people? Kedi he me go alone since. And I had a basis on what home alone. Actually recruit on one who be destroy one no what can I mean? No problem, you guys are welcome. No problem, we ask him. No problem, you guys are highly welcome.
Share this video because now it's very important. If by any chance, being you an indigenous of Ngor-Okpala, you are planning any evil, you are trying to do any megrement, you are by chance harboring any kind of pugu and paga during this period of 3 days crusade. I have a message for you. In my message, Deva. Sorry, Gabwa Fage. Yes. Sorry, Gabwa Fage. Already. And we'll go somebody who is one of my fans. Baron 1 or 2. He got to go about if somebody barrier. He got to now. All na by any chance that na new an indigene or new somebody from anywhere. He will feel or need belong to any kind of congregation or any kind of gathering, and the way one na abumonu abologo nebo ya manifest una program a na-eme na Ngor-Okpala. Ọnwụ na ifuru nnelu na ona nnelu ka ndo fun na ona anya for family you na anya resist here book anybody ya contract to come and do any nonsense. I am telling you, you gotta go because you will regret it. You gotta go. Don't think that this will be the best opportunity for you to come and do 1 or 2, or for you to come and cause just one trouble here and there. You will hate your life. You will hate yourself. I just know as an if by any chance you are planning, or you have been contracted, or you have been contacted, or you have been by anyhow initiated into a conspiracy to commit anything just to either tarnish the name, or to either bring problem, or to bring panic, I repeat, I have this for you. What did they go say on? What did they go say on? Maki ya akwa ngamaluko. Iyebe ngamaluko. Do that your distraction. Run off far. Maloma woni jewe business trip. Maloma woni welu a matter to very urgent. Ijeri attend to somewhere, either in Lagos or in Abuja or anywhere. Run far away from Ngor-Okpala. If you know you have any bad intention, run away, far away from Ngor-Okpala. Because iyakwa ngalamalo. iyase ogono iyase nya na owurukwo na ima iye regret ụbọchị nne na nna ụmụrụ. Run away. Flee from the devil. Flee away from the devil. Run away from any devices of the enemy, no matter which way it can ever come. Run away. No matter what they promise you, no matter how they try to instigate you, no matter how they try to manipulate you, run away from those manipulators, because they are after their own personal gain. They are not after the collective interest of Ngor-Okpala or people. So, I am telling you, if you are planning any evil, if you are planning anything, if you are planning to commit something, or panic, or this thing, I am telling you, run away. Run away now that you still have time, because you will regret it. I am telling you, go and mark today's date. You will regret it. You will regret it. That program is far more better, is far more heavier than what you can ever imagine. The gate of hell can never prevail. The gate of hell can never prevail that particular program and chime and Ngor-Okpala. Anywhere aside goye, anyone bata goye. The 24 elders in heaven are passing go that particular program. And there is nothing gate of hell can ever do to prevail. So all ya adoka Igbo ana agbana anyanwu maka na Igbo ana agbana anyanwu wusi ogbeka na anani be warned. Ndị nwe eluigwe na-eme ha gwa m kwuo ha ekwuo m. Can I say, Father, can I say osiri m kwuo? And ekwuhapụkwa na m onye nwere ntị nyanụ. Amụtara m inu a n'ọnụ agbara nze midia that na ntị anyị eji wee nu ife enidiro ịha ka okwu ata. Emene onwe an instrument for devil to use and rule you. Emene onwe an instrument for devil to use you and rule you. The project in Ngor-Okpala has come to stay, and there is nothing any man or spirit can do. Ijuwego agada bashirozo. If abatago, if abatago. And there is nothing darkness can ever do to prevail, because darkness can never prevail over darkness. Darkness can never prevail over light. It's not possible. It has never, no matter how thick that darkness is, a little flashlight can penetrate through the darkness. So be wise. Wisdom is profitable to direct. Let your wisdom guide you. Mandesere na ha na-eme ife donana. Mandesere na ha na-eme ife nna nna ya. Na ụra tata ka nna ọrụ nke mekwe ma nna ọrụ Simon nya bịa gwa okwu na nlọ. Gee ntị n'ife ọ na-agwa, because n'ife ọ ya agwago owo shiri ọkpara na kpuo. Hapụ ndị okomoko. Hapụ ndị magoro onwe ha ikpe. Ịghọtago? Hapụ ndị magoro onwe ha ikpe. Ajọs na-eti mkpu a na-etisi ya ike. Ịghọtago? Ka ị ghara ibe ngala mmalụ. Program a na-achọ ime na Ngor-Okpala abụgo signs sealed and delivered. Testimony ka anyị na-echezi ka obido manifestival. Ịghọtago? So ka Chineke were aka emezi okwu a. Share this video. Onye nwe ntị ya nọrọ.